ebusianfo mpempie no yemu bi etu kwa manane a na say we are more than anyone no say be more Africa no nti obu otu kwan be 1 week pe na le suban sesa o abehwe video be na after no ye be di nkomo yenko na yenkohwe video no.
Bristol. Bristol, I want to real primary school.
Sir.
Softon Park.
Nah, number 2, Mr. Road.
That's where you do
Now Ben train station.
Number train station.
Number 22 Grove Road.
What?
Grove Road. Actually, I was going to come here. Oh, sorry.
That what's in Canada?
Yo, much in there.
Jesus Christ.
Hallelujah.
7.
I had a 11 plus. That was Softon Park Primary, Bristol. I'm the Pokuare.
Oko Pokuare.
I'm a warrior.
Allah. Numbers. What's numbers? Yeah,
Ebusianfo, what did you learn from this video? Media you might not see anything good from this video, but I learned a lot from this video. Abrophobia, they always try any means say bibi omokubiano or mission. And we will come no na ida say ne papa na mame ene na Ghanaian. What you say? And what kasa no ba ne just say areho uhie nipa bi mu na ubisa na asema ayente say twi ni kura no onte da onti twi da. You see how proud he is speaking the Twii. You see how proud he is. Bena utu kwana ukohia unia Ghana ni. Yasa u chia ni po aka ukrum kasa akire na na opeso akire no ho se te se wo de oseso bond de bi pen. And then we reach a certain level as if say speaking English is a measure of our intelligence. Sana yemubi ede etrimu. Minkancho, you see how the man is boldly speaking the Twii. And then fit. But na we share one kasa unia Ghana ni no. Wone ne ka mukrum kasa no. Obeso pretend say ono de ase wo no abroche ho onye Ghana ni. Come on, munja ihyehe no. Munja hwehwe ni mu no. Munja looking faces no. Na yene mo ana na wo Ghana edi fufu edi banku. Ya dumbi na so amase boso e de wetumetu kwan. Humble yourself. Humble yourself. You see how he's boldly speaking the language. You understand? Wajine ne kakasa no. Ba ushia wo nyonko Ghana ni na ubisa na sempa de yo besi bi atete ne ho go so. Aye ne ho no chesa ansa wo de wonye nipa. Tebuchan for I just brought this video to put something in your head. Humble yourself. Value your culture, value your language. More respect mo kasa mo kano. Na munja abrafo sam ne ya wo ye no ya wo bia no obi nte brofo. What I say? Ya wo ye no obi no te brofo. You look down on people because they cannot speak English na wakoshia no. Come on. Bunipa. Yesu inshira no nka mo. Peace. Shalom. Medomuni na yebesa nso ehia bio.